Many people think the Philippine Revolution was completely united against Spain. However, it was also divided from within. During the Tejeros Convention, the revolutionaries met to establish a new government, and although Emilio Aguinaldo was elected president, while on the battlefield, Andres Bonifacio was chosen as the Director of the Interior. However, Daniel Tirona objected to Bonifacio's position, arguing that he was not a lawyer, and proposing Jose del Rosario instead. Because of this, Bonifacio became furious and reminded everyone of their promise to respect the election results. And eventually, he declared that the election was null and void. Meanwhile, Aguinaldo's brother, Crispulo Aguinaldo, was defending Pasong Santol, and although reinforcements were sent, they failed to arrive because Bonifacio intercepted them, which led to his death and the Spanish capture of the position. As tension escalated, Bonifacio and his brother were later arrested and executed in May 1897. Therefore, the events surrounding the Tejeros Convention reveal how internal conflict and power struggles weakened the revolution, reminding us that history is written often by the victors. This was all recorded by Emilio Aguinaldo's memoir titled The Gunitaan ng Himagsikan.